Okay, let's do a quick overview of the OneTouch sharing capabilities. So most conference rooms, you're not going to be in video conferences, 50-60% of the time in most rooms. That may have changed now after our current situation, but ultimately you're going to need to do presentations, and you can also share using these same tools in a video conference on any platform as well. So let me show you real quickly what those tools are. When we go down here to the presentation button, I have two options. I can click on HDMI. This means I have a hardwired HDMI into the system and it will share that content. So if you have some other sharing system already in place, OneTouch is fully compatible with that, or you can just have a traditional hardwire going out to your table or to the wall. If we're going to use Air Server, which is what I prefer, when we click on that, this would normally go full screen. For demo purposes for now, I've got it doing a smaller screen. So let me go ahead and share a couple devices. And remember, what this does is it allows these devices to share in the native way that they would normally share. So you can see I'm starting up my Galaxy Tab S7. That is now sharing onto the screen. And so if I had a large, 86-inch screen in the front of the room, I would be sharing my content up to the front of the room now so everybody can see without plugging in any kind of device. So I can also add an additional 3 devices into this sharing up at the front of the room. Let me go ahead and share my iPhone as well. So what it will do is it will resize what it's doing based on the devices. And so you can see now my iPhone is also being displayed, and I've got full motion capability of my apps. As you can see, I can sit here and scroll through both of them. So really cool, powerful tools. And actually, if I go in and let's say I want to do a side, it will actually change those aspect ratios as well. So super powerful presentation tools now built into OneTouch. So it replaces the need to put in those expensive wireless type systems or something kind of corny like an Apple TV in a conference room for production, big meetings. This is an enterprise level sharing platform. So if you have any questions, please contact us, and thanks again for checking out the OneTouch platform and how we do presentations within OneTouch. Thanks.